beautiful morning from the city of Cotonou, and this morning I want to go from an area called Akome to Tokpa Market, but this time around I want to try the boat. Okay, so there is a place very close to where I live, where I stay here, where I can board a boat going to Tokpa Market. Okay, going to anywhere, you can board the boat and go to Port Novo, to even to Nigeria, as according to the information I have. So it's my first time on boat. But I really want to give it a try this morning. At least the distance to Tokpa Market is very short, so if the experience is okay, so when next I'm going to Nigeria, I'm going to try it as well. So I'm going to carry you guys along as I'm approaching the seaside already. So here is the water. It's a very big ocean. Okay, you can see a boat already. So I actually want to make inquiry on how it works, and let's see. I'm not sure if I want to give this a try. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Sáré lè jẹ pan, ẹni náà ló ń la parí fún ìtẹ́lá wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ káàjẹ́. Okay guys, so we are Topa already. So I'm not sure if I did the video very well. I was scared so that my phone will not fall because it was my first time. So the experience was nice, it was good. So this is Tokpa market now. This is the entrance of Tokpa market. So next time I will board the boat again and do a good video.